You guys know, like, I can tell just about right away when I unbox hair if it is what they say it is. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kim back on the video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by title, we are doing an unboxing. We haven't done an unboxing for some hair. I don't want to say in a while, but you know, I feel like I left and you guys came back. I came back. You guys came. We came back together. And I feel as though, you know, my content is just doing really, really well. With that said, a lot of you guys here on my channel, you come, you watch my content, I drop gems, but a lot of you guys are not subscribed. So please take a minute, like the video. Very important. If you guys want me to reach other people, you want me to still be making this type of content for you, I need to be supported. So like the video, make sure you subscribe, support me on Instagram, TikTok. Like I said, I drop gems. You know, I am the #1 hair reviewer. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to open this. And I feel like I'm doing like nobody else. So let's just get into the video. I'm gonna grab some scissors. We're gonna unbox this hair. I did win this in a giveaway. I don't remember the name of the hair company. I'm hoping that something in here is gonna give me the information about the hair company so I can tell you guys that. But I won 2 bundles. You got up to 20 inches. I'm like, this is a big package. So let's get into unboxing it. This is a nice unboxing. I'm just thinking, you know, like bundles would just come just like bundles. Oh, this is nice. So she did that. Very nice packaging. I'm gonna put her information over here so you guys can, you know, check her out. I'll also link her Instagram page down below if you guys want to check that out as well. So it is called Ebluxe or Ebluxe. You know, I'm Trini. I don't want to mispronounce it. I love the packaging. It's very unique. Ebluxehair.com, where quality lives. Now, on her website, she doesn't necessarily list the origin of the hair, but because you guys know, obviously I do hair reviews here, I wanted to make sure that I got the texture correct. Not necessarily the texture, but the origin. So it is Indian hair. Oh, this is a nice box. Smells good. It says, "Hello, gorgeous." Love that. This is probably, no cap, the best box I've ever seen, like for an unboxing. Like, I think it's also like the shape. It's just very, it's very unique. So it says on here, Miss Kim. I wasn't expecting a card. So very nice touch. I have to open the card. I have to open the card. Because we got to open the card, right? So on here, let's see what it says. Selfie time. We really appreciate customer feedback. Leave us a review on our website or Google. Add the pictures you take. Also feel free to tag us in posts. We would love to see you in our hair. And it has like their, this is like top tier. I've unboxed a plethora of hair, and I've never felt anything like this quality before. It's like laminated, but like you guys can see it. And it says, welcome to Ebluxe, babe. We are thrilled that you have chosen our hair extensions, and we know that you're going to look absolutely gorgeous wearing them. We hope that your experience with us has been nothing short of exceptional. If there's anything that we can do, please don't hesitate to reach out. Has their email, their website, and their phone number. I love this. I love a business, obviously, that tells you how to get in contact with them and is willing to work with you. I know I'm going through all this. I'm going to put a timestamp up here if you guys just want to skip to the hair. But this is the first unboxing, and you guys know, unless it's a company that I've worked with before, I go over everything. So there's a key to making anything last properly is taking care of it. With regular maintenance and attention, you can ensure that your Ebluxe hair extensions will last and stay looking healthy. Make sure your extensions continue to look and feel their best. Be sure to wash, condition, and completely dry them before tucking them away into the
included luxurious satin lined box. That's great. So they intend for you to keep the hair in this box, which is amazing. The vanity's a mess, just to get right with me. Disregard that noise. So it stores it, and you can ensure that the hair is going to be in good condition because it's satin. Satin is the best thing for your hair, especially, you know, for like traction. You know what I mean. Taking these simple steps will help to keep mold and bacteria at bay, while also making it easier for you when it's time to put on a new look with the hair extensions. And to see the back of the card for specific maintenance details. Now, you guys, I'm not going to go over all the maintenance, but I love when companies tell you how to care for their hair. It's amazing. So they give you a card, and it tells you, use our QR code, save our contact information, quickly share with friends, family, leave a review. So there's 2 cards in here. I'm going to hold it up to the screen if you guys want to check out the QR code. Give you enough time with that. All right, and then there's an invoice. Obviously I won this hair in a giveaway, so there is no cost to me. They're 20-inch bundles. They're called the Kai extensions, and they are $195 a piece, so totaling $390. So thank you very much for allowing me to win this giveaway. I would love to do a 1 month and a 1 week, 1 week, 1 month, y'all know what I mean, update on this, but I don't have a closure or a frontal, and y'all know I'm a wig girl. I don't wear my natural hair out, so I don't know when I'm going to acquire that to be able to do a review for you guys or an update. This is some beautiful hair. Oh, it is soft, baby. It smells good. It smells like perfume, like hair perfume. I've seen that. That's a thing now. I don't know what hair perfume smells like, but I'm assuming it would smell like this. So definitely, so it says, I love their, like, the aesthetic, like the packaging, like everything. It's just, it feels premium. Why am I fumbling with this? Look at this. It's probably the ash on. Ciao. Got rid of one, another one came back. It's stuck to the mirror now. I got a vanity mirror there that I use for my makeup. This is definitely some nice hair. I will try to include a co-wash. What is going on? All right. So there's a lot of static. So you're seeing a lot of the hairs like sticking out because of the static, but this is definitely some beautiful hair. Some very beautiful hair. Now we have our short strands. They're not too bad. You guys know I like a nice tapered look when it comes to hair. The wefts are very beautifully done. Very thin, very natural. But most of all, it is what it is. It's Indian hair. It's raw hair. You guys know, like, I can tell just about right away when I unbox hair if it is what they say it is. But I love the color match. So typically when you're dealing with raw hair, what you will come to find is that sometimes the color isn't necessarily, like, you might find like where it's like not the same curl pattern or exact color of the hair, which is normal because raw hair, everyone's hair color is not the exact same. So I like the fact that the color match is just like dead on. Like, I can't wait to do an update video on this. I don't know, again, when that's going to be coming out. So hopefully this can be like another hair company that I can recommend for you guys. So I'm going to co-wash it also just to see how the curl pattern comes out. And then I'll include that clip in here for you guys. I think a lot of the, I want to say like the snags that I'm getting, I think it's related to all of the static that is in this packaging. I'm not sure what caused it, but I am going to co-wash it. I'm going to use my Matrix, is it my Matrix conditioner? Yes, my Matrix Biolage conditioner to co-wash it. I recently started to use this on hair again. I am over the Tresemme. Tresemme is not working for my hair. I don't know why. but it's no longer for me. So I'm gonna co-wash it with this. I'll include a little video here at the side so you guys can see what the hair looks like once it's been air dried. You guys know I air dry all my hair, but I am excited. This is definitely raw hair. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's just, there's just something about Indian hair that has like this silkiness to the texture, and I can tell this is it. The textures are a little bit different. They're not uniform, which is how it's supposed to be. You know, because like I said, everyone's hair is not the same texture, but I can't wait to try this out for you guys. And I love the fact that I have a place to store it. Like, I have a bundle of Indian hair up there that I just store on my shelf because I have no place to put it. So it's nice that the box also doubles as a storage. I really like that. I just honestly have to say, I don't think I've ever had an unboxing experience quite like this before. And if you guys have been on my channel, then you know that to be true. Like, look at this. This is a perfect thumbnail. This is top tier, baby. This is definitely, as they say, where quality lives. I'm here for it. So that wraps this unboxing. If you guys have stayed tuned, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Subscribe, share. We're on the way to 10K, but that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.